In this video, we will show you how to screenshot on Mac OS Sonoma. To screenshot on Mac OS Sonoma, it's very easy. First in here, it's better you know the shortcut key to take a screenshot, because usually if we take screenshot, we need to very fast. Okay, first to see your shortcut key for your screenshot on your Mac OS, just type on the search button keyboard like this. Okay, just find keyboard. Okay, then click the keyboard, and on the keyboard preference you can see there, select keyboard shortcuts. Okay, you can see there on your Mac OS Sonoma there is screenshots. Okay, you can see here, save picture of screen as a file. Okay, this is shift button, command button, and 3 button. You need these 3 button press in the same time, so you can take a screenshot and save as a file. You can see there. I will show you. Let's using shift button, command button, and 3 button. You can see there. Now there is take a screenshot in here and automatically save the file. This is our screenshot file. Okay. Then the number second, you can also using the software for the screenshot software like this manually, but in here I will show you once again to take a screenshot in here with shift, command, and 3 button. Now you can see there we successfully take a screenshot. Or if you need to manually, you can just using screenshot like this. Okay, just using screenshot, then you can take a screenshot manually. Okay, with it selected portion, selected window, or you can just using recording to record your screen. For example, we need just selected portion. Okay, we can take a screenshot look like this. Rather than using entire screen, we can doing something look like this and just select capture like this. Okay, and automatically save into your preferred, and you can change the preferred to saving your location by clicking options. Okay, then you can click save to whenever you select. In my case, I select desktop, so in every screenshot you will saving automatically on the desktop or another location you choose here. Okay, I will show the last. For example, selected window, I will select this. Now to take a screenshot, we can just using easy method, using command or shortcut key, or using the software manually. Hope this video helpful for you.